A set can also be described in three different methods. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating isalarawan ang set sa iba't ibang paraan. So, for example, we have a situation. The set of primary colors. So, this is our example set. Now, we will describe the situation in three different ways. Okay, so for number one, we have the verbal description method. So, what is this all about? It is a method of describing sets in a form of sentence. So meaning to say, you are describing a set in a form of sentence or gagawa ka ng isang pangungusap para ma-describe mo ang isang set. So for example, set A is a set of primary colors. So what is set A? Ito yung ibinigay nating pangalan doon sa set of primary colors. And kung matatandaan nyo, dun sa mga naunang slide, kapag nagbibigay tayo ng pangalan ng set, we always use a capital letter. Kaya nakalagay dito, set A. And as you notice, letter A is capitalized. So again, in verbal description method, you are describing the set in a form of a sentence. Number two, we have the roster method. So this method of describing set is done by listing each elements inside the braces and each element are separated by commas. So when we say roster method, nililista natin yung mga members or yung mga elements ng set na iyon. And usually, pag roster method, madali nyo siyang ma-identify kung dinescribe siya in the roster method kasi you will see braces, ito, at may makikita kayong mga commas. So for example, set A is equal to, what are the elements? Red, yellow, blue. Because red, yellow, blue are the primary colors. So that is the roster method. You are listing all the elements and the members of that set. Next, so we have the set builder notation or the rule method. So it is a method that lists the rules that determines whether an object is an element of the set rather than the actual elements. So example, set A. So may kung mapapansin nyo, napaka-distinct ng set builder notation or rule method. Okay, so meron din siyang braces, pero hindi niya nililista or ina-identify yung mga specific elements ng set na iyon. Unlike dun sa roster method na nakalista at naka-identify yung mga particular elements. So in the set builder notation, you will notice this kind of what is this? Of sentence inside the braces. At may basa dito, class. Ang basa dito is X is an element of a set such that X is a primary color. What is X? X represents the element. Okay, so that is a set builder notation or rule method. Okay, so let us have exercises. So in our exercise number 3, write the situation in the three different ways of describing a set. So for example, we have a situation, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 5. So again, what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. So ang gagawin natin, we have a situation, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 5, and then i-describe natin siya using verbal description method. So what do you think is the answer? So I'll be giving you 5 seconds. Okay, so for our answer, under verbal description method, okay, set A is the set of odd numbers from 1 to 5. So again, kapag verbal description method, we are describing a set in a form of a sentence. So as you can see, we created a sentence. So set A is the set of odd numbers from 1 to 5. How about using roster method? Okay, so for roster method, we have set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. So again, pag roster method, nililista natin yung mga elements ng set na iyon. So we have 1, 3, 5. Kasi ang situation, the set of odd numbers from 1 to 5. And last, using set builder notation or rule method. So the answer is A is equal to X is an element of a set such that X is an odd number from 1 to 5. Okay, so that is our set builder notation. Tatandaan nyo class, kapag set builder notation ang ginagamit natin, lagi kayong may makikitang ganito, yung X is an element of a set such that. So this is slash is read as such that. Okay? So those are the three ways on how to describe a